This is Ride News Now. I'm Alison Haislip. Here's the latest in all things mobility. Before you lie to the police about your crimes, you might want to make sure there wasn't a Tesla nearby. It might snitch on you. Recently, dashcam footage captured by a Tesla Model 3 helped seal the fate of a reckless driver in Maryland. In the video, we see a Dodge Durango rip past the Model 3 in the right-hand lane before colliding with 3 other cars, including another Model 3. After the collision, the Durango driver told police the accident was unavoidable because he had swerved to avoid a speeding vehicle behind him. Before leaving the scene, the Model 3 owner who captured the wreck on video informed authorities that the entire incident had been recorded by his Tesla. Eventually, authorities circled back with the Model 3 owner to review the footage. Of course, it showed no such mystery fourth vehicle and confirmed that the Dodge driver was at fault. Do you have any advice for folks, Prison Jeff?
There's been a lot of talk about dash cams today, but I'm here to scare you straight. Don't do crimes in front of no Tesla. They snitch.
Thank you, Prison Jeff.
And I didn't get caught neither.
No, you didn't.
Thanks.
Harley-Davidson's new live wire just might be the unlikeliest thing to come out of Milwaukee. Why? Because the new motorcycle is powered entirely by electrons rather than a noisy V-twin. Since it'll take a big leap of faith for Harley fans to go electric, the motor company has partnered with Electrify America to offer 2 years of free charging to Livewire owners, offering up to 500 kilowatt hours of energy. The incentive is pretty sweet. Electrify America is using a $2 billion fund to expand their network, and they're expected to have 2,000...
I'm here to scare you straight!
I'm very scared. Thanks, Prison Jeff. They're expected to have 2,000 chargers available in the U.S. by the end of the year. Chargers can be booked via Harley-Davidson's or Electrify America's apps, making it oh so easy for Harley riders to ease into the 21st century. Welcome to the electric motorcycle party, Harley. So nice to have you along for the ride. Hooray! There is new autonomous car software that could save lives by preventing pedestrian crashes. Visible Zone says its technology would allow cars to pinpoint pedestrians and prevent collisions, even in situations where a human driver can't possibly see them or avoid them. How does the software work? Well, basically, it turns your car into a smartphone bloodhound. Bloodhounds have a sense of smell so strong, some animal experts liken it to a sort of second vision. Basically, these days, everyone has a smartphone, and smartphones emit distinct radio waves. So, Visible Zone hacks the surrounding area like a dog on the scent. Good boy. It can detect a smartphone's radio waves from up to 500 feet away, even if they're behind objects or in low visibility conditions. Once it sniffs out a pedestrian's phone, Visible Zone creates a virtual barrier around the phone in its GPS map and prevents the car from colliding with it. If all of that is confusing, here's the quick gist. Your smartphone could one day prevent a car from hitting you.
I'm here to scare you straight!
Thanks, Prison Jeff. For more tech news, join us over at Ride.Tech and be sure to follow RideTechNews on your social platform of choice, right?
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. Is he wearing sunglasses in the thing?
No, but Prison Jeff does things good.
Okay. Okay. Listen. My hair needs time, okay? Before leaving the scene, the Model 3 owner who captured the wreck on video informed authorities that the entire incident had been recorded by his Tesla. Eventually, authorities circled back with the Model 3 owner to reveal the... I again, sorry. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Also, head to Ride.Tech for stories, reviews, and more news.